Heading out the door early this morning, definitely off to a much more drier start, but more foggier one. We'll end up staying dry and sunny for most of this week. As you head out the door early this morning, however, taking a look outside our WREX camera, you could barely see anything past those trees. Definitely seeing that fog slowly building in. You could see that sun rising, and the fog will of course dissipate as the sun continues to rise. In terms of your visibility though, down to about 0 miles really for most of Stevenson County, even seeing that fog spilling over into southern Wisconsin, down to 7 miles in both Rochelle, even 2 down into Sterling. So definitely want to give yourself a little extra time as you might run into some of this fog early on. Otherwise though, as that sun rises, we'll stay dry. That fog will dissipate. That is thanks to this large area of high pressure. Thankfully, that entire system we saw yesterday is long gone, as we'll stay dry into today and even for most of this week as well. Otherwise, we do still have some flood warnings, I should say, on the table. All of Stevenson County under a flood warning until 6 p.m. this evening. That is with all that standing water still yet to drain off, and we'll see a flood warning until Friday for Stevenson County and Sunday for Winnebago County when it comes to the Pecatonica River, coming through Freeport and Pecatonica as well, as it will end up slowly starting dropping below that flood stage by the time we head into our Thursday. So something to keep in mind if you are in Freeport, especially near that river. The rest of our day though will stay dry, lots of sunshine. Your temperatures will end up climbing out of those 60s through the 70s. We'll only reach the upper 70s today. A little bit cooler, a little bit more comfortable as well, and most importantly, we'll stay dry. A comfortable 78 degrees for your high today. We'll end up seeing those calmer winds even into tonight. Mostly clear as we drop into the upper 50s, window weather as I like to call it, but we still may end up seeing some of that fog redevelop overnight early into your Wednesday. Otherwise though, we'll see that sun follow us really through most of this forecast. The warmest day coming in tomorrow, 84 degrees there for you. Might end up seeing some sprinkles early Thursday as a cold front will move through, but mostly dry and sunny. Temperatures will drop into those 70s, and in your most accurate 10-day forecast, sprinkle in a couple 80s through the weekend. Still going to stay comfortable. Your dew points by Friday, by the way, into the 50s. It's been a little bit since we've seen that. We'll be back into the upper 70s next week with those chances for rain.